Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best silicone baking mat on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Kitzini Silicone Baking Mats. From the number of positive reviews we came across on the internet, it was easy to tell that these silicone liner sheets from Kitzini are a favorite among online customers. These half sheets are BPA-free and made from 0.75mm thick food-grade silicone with a fiberglass core, which means you'll get even and consistent baking. 1+, the non-stick surface means there's no greasing required, making cleanup a breeze. These are oven safe up to 450 degrees, and customers love that they're a versatile, durable alternative to parchment paper. Reviewers do also mention that staining and slightly melting is possible. They are available as a 2-pack of macaron baking mats, as well as sets of 3 or 4. A bonus? With 2 mats costing the price of one from some other brands, these Kitzini sheets are a bargain for the quality. Oven safe temperature, 480 degrees, sizes available, 11.5 into 8.5 inches, quarter sheet, 16.5 into 11.6 inches, half sheet. What we like. Includes 2 to 4 sheets. Professional grade thickness. Affordable. What we don't like. Possibly prone to staining and melting. Number 2. Our second best pick is Silpat Premium Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. You may have heard the name Silpat spoken reverently by both home bakers and professional bakers alike, and for good reason. The Silpat line of silicone baking mats, produced by French company Sauce de Marle Incorporated, has acquired quite the reputation over the past several decades for its quality and versatility. This particular non-stick silicone baking mat is made from fiberglass mesh and food-grade silicone, which helps it withstand temperatures of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit and distribute heat evenly, which means your food will not only release easily but also bake evenly. It's also microwave and freezer safe and comes in several sizes in addition to half sheet, including jelly roll and toaster oven size. You can wash this in the dishwasher, but we recommend hand washing it. In fact, several users say it's easy and quick enough to clean it with soapy water and a sponge. It comes at a higher price tag than some of its competitors, but many say that its versatility and durability make it worth the investment. Oven safe temperature, 480 degrees, sizes available, 1.5 into 9 inches, sill band, 10.9 into 7.9 inches, toaster oven, 11.75 into 8.25 inches, quarter sheet, 13.5 into 8.5 inches, jelly roll, 16.5 into 11.5 inches, half sheet, 17 into 12.25, cookie sheet, 19.5 into 13.5, 3/4 sheet. What we like. Comes in a variety of sizes. Uniform heating. Very durable. What we don't like. Pricey. Number 3. Our third best pick is MMmat Silicone Baking Mats. This set of 3 non-stick mats works with different pans and different recipes, offering you versatility without having to use tons of parchment paper. The silicone mats come in 13 into 9 inches, 14.76 into 9.85 inches, and a half sheet pan size. At 1mm thick, these won't slip and are extra durable. They're also safe in the oven up to 500 degrees, and can be washed in the dishwasher. Many users are impressed by this set's versatility, using them for recipes that range from dried apple crisps to frozen berries to homemade crackers, which all slide right off, they say. MMat also offers these mats with size guides for making macarons, which include measurements around the trim and fit half sheet pans. Oven safe temperature, 500 degrees, sizes available, 13 into 9 inches, 14.76 into 9.85 inches, 16.5 into 11.6 inches. What we like. Variety packs include multiple sizes. Can include macaron sizing guides. Extra thick. What we don't like. Not standard sizes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is SiliQueen Silicone Pastry Baking Mat with measurements. You can use a silicone baking mat for virtually any pastries you bake in the oven, macarons, cookies, cakes, and so on. But if you're a home pastry chef who needs help with eyeballing an 8-inch crust from a 10-inch one, this is likely the silicone mat for you. It has markings that will come in handy when measuring doughs and other goods. The mat has a temperature conversion chart, measurement table, and various other markings that will come in handy when perfecting the science of baking. It also includes a silicone brush and stainless steel bench scraper. Many reviewers enjoy using this large mat on top of their workspace to protect their counters. The standard size measures 27.5 into 20 inches, which won't fit most baking sheets, but it comes in a variety of sizes for larger or smaller surface areas and baking trays. Oven-safe temperature, 446 degrees, sizes available, 11.4 into 10.2 inches, 23.5 into 17.5 inches, 23.6 into 20 inches, 23.6 into 23.6 inches, 27.5 into 20 inches, 31.5 into 23.6 inches. What we like. Includes silicone brush and bench scraper. Features measurement markings in inches and centimeters. Features a Fahrenheit-Celsius conversion chart. Various extra large sizes for different workspaces. What we don't like. Too large for most baking sheets. Low temperature resistance. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Mrs. Anderson's non-stick silicone jelly roll baking mat. A jelly roll pan is different from your typical baking sheet. The main difference is the size, usually measuring 15.5 into 10.5 inches. Some silicone baking mats are simply too large and won't fit a jelly roll pan, so you may need a separate mat that's smaller. This one by Mrs. Anderson's comes in at 14.2 into 9.5 inches, making it the perfect size for most jelly roll pans. If you're not looking for a smaller silicone baking mat, you might be disappointed by the size. Like premium models, this one is made of non-stick silicone that is oven safe up to 480 degrees. The manufacturer recommends hand washing, so you may have to spend a few extra minutes on cleanup. Your jelly roll pan dimensions may differ from standard sizes, so be sure to measure your pan to make sure this model will fit. Oven safe temperature, 480 degrees, sizes available, 14.2 into 9.5 inches. What we like. Budget friendly. Great non-stick properties for delicate treats. High quality. What we don't like. Might not fit all jelly roll pans perfectly. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.